Alright, just gonna unbox this Nexgrill one burner cooking area, 348 square inches of space, grill, one portable gas grill, side of the box. Here's the other side, just to get an idea what the box looks like. That grill. Here's the top part. And here is the burner. Hinges. And here is some of the stands for that. The nice thing is that it has a temperature gauge. Step 1, attach the wing nuts to the thermometer gauge. Now it's already been done that way in my box, so I got that together. Step 2 is put this on top of the box. I guess you just unloosen those and then attach that to the box, the top of the
Plus I wanted the legs to be able to fold up.
Is there a washer that goes with it, or is it just...
No, just the wing nuts.
The next step is take your number 6 handle and take a D4 screw, which will go through there, and you attach it. 2 D4 screws. There we go, these little things here. Alright, so we're going to put this on here, get D screws, we're going to put them in there, so there. I'll try and explain this. So we got the washers here, we got the E, which is the screw that will go through, and there's a washer that goes with it. On this side.
Both of these washers.
Yeah,
and
both.
This is the wing nut on the end.
Yep. Alright, so you got the F and H washers. One of the washers is curved. So at this point, we're going to put the burner in. Go in like that. And there's one B screw. There's 9 of these B screws. That'll be the first of these B screws. We're going to open this up and put one in there to secure it. So then we'll need 4 of the B screws for the hinges to be attached on here. The rest of the 4 B screws and put it on. It's really handy to have your wife to stand and hold the door for you while you're screwing it in. Holder and a holder. So hopefully I can get this in the first shot. There we go. There's the back grills. All right, the last 3 things are actually really easy. There's the this tray here, and then you put the grill there. And you got this thing that looks like a frying pan. It just goes underneath here. And there's a little slot for it to fit right in there, and it just hangs there and captures any grease for when you're doing hamburgers. It's going to run out. And then one of the last things we'll be doing is putting the regulator on. Now it has the hose here. You can hook the canister to that, or you can get an adapter to hook it up to a propane tank. Basically the adapter is like a hose adapter to the propane tank. That's what I use. To get it going, you just got to push the knob in when you're using it, and then turn it to the temperature you need, and then just turn it back to turn off the gas, especially if you have a cylinder hooked up to it. Alright, so we'll try to get this part in here. I don't know if I gotta go over to get the igniter attached. I'm trying to feed the igniter in here. This indicates the press. It doesn't really show if I'm supposed to put over or under. And then you have this thing here, which is going to go on top of where the regulator goes. There, got the propane tank attached to it. Just got one of the hose adapters. You can get them at hardware store, Canadian Tire. Just got to turn a medium. And got her going here, some hot dogs for the first time here. Some hot dogs at first before I do some hamburgers and get it greasy.
So please hit the subscribe button for my YouTube channel and my other social media content. Also, I would like to thank my Patreons and the people who've donated through PayPal Donate with the cost of making some of these videos and buying products to review. Also, if you want to support me over on Patreon or PayPal Donate, it's a few dollars a month to help support production of my videos so that I can continue helping people with tech stuff like this. And thank you to all those out there who has supported my channel and my video work and online activity over these years by subscribing, by liking, by commenting. I really appreciate the interaction with you guys.